Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added one more new feature to Instagram stories, that is photo stripe. So in this video I will show you how to use this feature, and also let me know if you have received this update or not. Open your Instagram account, click on this plus icon and go to Instagram story. You can select a photo or select from a gallery whatever you want. I am selecting a plain background here, and I will click on this sticker icon here. You can see, so here you will see the option as photo stripe. Just click on this one, and normally you can select up to 3 photo, then only it will be in a form of stripe. I will click on add. So here you can see the image is added. So you can also change the background from here. Okay, and if you will tap on this stripe, you can see the themes will keep changing here. You can change whatever you want. So I'm keeping this, and you can post it in your Instagram stories. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.